Hey buddy, today in this video, we're going to make teriyaki chicken thighs in the Instapot. Let's begin. You need some brown sugar. You need around 1.25 cups. You can also use white sugar if you want. Okay, we have around 1.25 cups of brown sugar packed in. You need 2 cups of low sodium soy sauce. Okay, that's 1/4 cup of honey. We need a cup of mirin. Okay, that's a cup of mirin. We need 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. And number 3. We need 1 tablespoon of minced ginger and 2 tablespoons of pure sesame seed oil. 1, 2. Okay, take everything and mix it all in. Stir it up. Okay, now we're going to start cooking up the chicken thighs. We have here around 7 chicken thighs and we're going to start searing the chicken first. Okay, we're gonna put it on saute mode and we're gonna let it preheat first and we'll be back. Okay, it's heated up. We're gonna put some olive oil in there. Spread the oil around. Okay, now we're gonna put the chicken thighs in with the skin side down. Okay, let's loosen them up. Make sure they're not sticking. Okay, they're loosened up. We're gonna let it sit for a bit. Okay, it's been around 4 minutes. Let's flip it over. We just want to brown the surface. Okay, it's been another 4 minutes and now we're going to take the chicken out. We're going to turn off the saute mode and now we're going to deglaze the pot. We're going to add 1/4 cup of water. You want to make sure nothing is sticking onto the bottom of the pot because it'll give you a burner. Okay, nothing is sticking to the pot. And now we're going to add the chicken back in. And now we're going to add the pre-made sauce. I'm going to scoop out the rest. Okay, it's looking good. We're going to close it up. We're going to put it on pressure cook for 14 minutes on high. And we're going to let it start first. Okay, it's preheating and we'll be back once the timer starts for 14 minutes. Okay, the red pin has gone up. That means it's almost fully preheated. And we're still waiting for the timer to start for 14 minutes. Okay, it's fully preheated and the timer has started for 14 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 14 minutes and now we're going to release the pressure. Okay, the red pin has dropped back down. That means it's safe to open. Smells really good. Okay, the next thing what we're going to do is put it back on saute mode. We're going to cancel and then push it on saute and we'll be back. Okay, it's bubbling pretty good. We're going to add some cornstarch to the sauce so that it's a little bit thicker. We need 1/4 cup of water and a tablespoon of cornstarch. And then stir everything all together. Now we're gonna pour it in to the sauce to thicken it up. There you go. If you want it thicker, you can add a little bit more cornstarch and water mixture. Now flip them over. And let it boil for 2 minutes. Okay, it's been boiling with the skin side down for 2 minutes, and now we're gonna pick it up. Looking good. Okay, we're going to take some green onions and put it on top. Okay, this is what we have today, teriyaki chicken thighs made in the Instapot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.